This is our textbook. This is our reference library. This is our lecture hall. This is our research lab. The knowledge that will help us better understand some of the world's most harmful diseases is filed away in our biology. It's written in our DNA. At Amgen, we are both students and teachers of human biology. Before we attack a disease, our researchers study it closely to understand its mechanisms, to watch the body's most subtle changes, inside and out. We are scholars in vigilant pursuit of the vital information that may transform lives. Over decades, Amgen has developed a deep expertise in biotechnology, mastering the complex art and science of engineering new medicines through the use of living cells. And now, with unprecedented genetic information available on a large scale and more sophisticated analytic tools, we're connecting the dots between DNA and disease, allowing us to approach the development of promising new medicines with greater understanding. We're working to turn the tide on cancer and cardiovascular disease, the leading causes of death in the world today. We're seeking to help more people suffering from crippling rheumatoid arthritis, and we're providing critical treatments for bone disease and other serious illnesses. At Amgen, we observe, we theorize, we test. And if we come up short, we regroup, rethink, and attack the problem again. And on those days where we hit the mark, disease suffers another blow. Humanity takes another step forward. Then we get back to work, searching for the answers that lie deep within us. Amgen.